Hi, it's Zahava here from Blossoming at Home. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint with watercolors. And I will explain to you what you need. First of all, you need paper, very thick paper. Then you need watercolors. Then you need water. And then you need paintbrushes. But you also need a sponge to make the paper wet, so you can paint on it easier. And there's a poem to remember the colors of the rainbow for the painting. It's reds on young green lakes, bubbling bold popcorn. And it's just to remember the colors easier so you don't forget it. Now I'm going to teach you how to paint the rainbow. Now here we are. You need thick paper for coloring, and you need paint, water paint. Now we have a sponge to make the paper wet so it all like mixes in together like a rainbow, and it becomes a nice rainbow. So we first have to make it wet all over the paper. Then you can go like a bit down lower to see if it's all completely wet. And then we need this type of a brush, like a thickness, this thickness. And then we start now. We have red, and then you see how everything, it's like a transformation, like in magic. It all mixes nicely together. And now we need orange. And if you don't have those colors, you just need to mix them in like together to make the same colors. Most likely you use light green because the dark green doesn't really mix, like yellow and green is yellow and blue. It doesn't really make dark green, like only if you use a lot of blue. But we would want to use a light green on a rainbow. Now we take purple for the last color, and then we can make the sky on the top so it all just like becomes like a proper rainbow. And yeah. It all mixes in together, so you don't have to worry if some colors just mix in, because it will just make like a piece of art that's really nice. And yeah, it's just like a beauty of painting with watercolors. And if you really want to make clouds for the sky, then I will teach you in a moment how to do it. And then you can also make, like, you have varieties of the sky. You can make it cloudy, you can make it a cloudy day, you can make it a beautiful sunny day, and yeah. So now you take a piece of paper and you drive it around like little clouds. And now this is the rainbow. Bye. And by the way, you can use those paintings for making birthday cards and for packing presents in there and for whatever you think your imagination can do with those things, because you can make all sorts of nice things. Bye.